Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshan Singh and I am the head of IELTS training at Target 9. So as I promised you earlier that I'll also make a video on the most common used phrases in IELTS essays. Previously we had done a video which was regarding the most commonly used vocabulary words. So the most commonly used connectors in IELTS. But now today's focus of the video is going to be on the most commonly, most repetitively and the most frequently used phrases in the IELTS essays. So as if you can see on the left hand side, the first one is in my opinion. Now this is a very common word which is used time and again, and at least once or twice in the essay it is going to be there. So in place of writing in my opinion again and again, you can also use according to my notion, N-O-T-I-O-N. So according to my notion is also in my opinion. So these two have similar meanings, these two phrases. Or you can also write I reckon that. This also has a similar meaning. So in place of for example, you can write for instance. For instance in place of for example. You can also write cite as an instance in place of for example. So the next commonly used phrase is however. So however is also but. However is also but. So in place of however, you can use having said that or on the contrary to talk about a different perspective. The next one is overall view. When you write this phrase in an overall view or in an overall manner, in place of this you can write in a holistic way. So in place of overall view, you can also write in a holistic way. The next one is therefore. You can also write so. You can also write consequently, or you can also write as a result. The next one is these days. So in place of these days, you can write nowadays. And remember, I see most of the students committing this mistake. Nowadays is a single word. There is no gap in this. So nowadays, N-O-W-A-D-A-Y-S, nowadays. Or you can use in the current scenario. Or you can also use in this era, in this modern era. Now coming towards this side, the next one is to start with. So in place of to start with, you can also write to initiate, or you can also write to set the ball rolling, and then you can start your main paragraph. The next one is in addition. You can use moreover. You can use not to forget. You can also use another key point to remember is that, and then you can write your main key point. This is one of the most commonly used. These all are one of the most commonly used synonyms, but this is quite repetitive. The next one is to sum up. You can write to recapitulate. You can also write to encapsulate. You can also write all in all. You can also write in a nutshell. The next one is no doubt that. In place of no doubt that, this looks a bit informal. You can write there is no denying the fact that, or you can also write, it is an obvious fact that. Both are correct. Grammatically this is not wrong, but this looks a bit informal. So I think in place of no doubt that, you must always use there is no denying the fact, or it is an obvious fact that. The next one is people think that. You can write as for those who think that. In place of writing people think that, you can write as for those who think that, or masses believe that. The next one is control the issue. To control the issue, you can write to curb the issue, and in place of to get rid of the issue, you can write to eradicate the issue. So eradicate means to getting completely rid of that particular thing. So I'll be giving you a couple of seconds, you can take a screenshot, and I believe that these are one of the most frequently used phrases in your IELTS essays. And when it comes to writing these phrases, there can be many situations where you have to use them a couple of times or even 3 times in your essay. So don't repeat the phrase that you have already used in your essay. This is one of the most common mistakes that is made by students in the IELTS writing task 2. So guys, if you have any doubts regarding any of the videos that I am making, or you need assistance in any module of IELTS, any question type, you can write in the comment section. I'll try my best to post a video on that. See you again next time. Bye bye.
Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.